Pip has a problem. It is urgent, extremely private, and the bathroom will not be invented for thousands of years. There is no door, no paper roll. Just a camp, a cooking fire, and the stream everyone drinks from. So the first answer was not a magical prehistoric toilet. It was separation, keep human waste away from sleeping, cooking, and water. Simple until Pip chooses the nearest bush, and rain draws a line straight back toward camp. Different communities, landscapes, and eras used different solutions, and most daily routines leave almost nothing for archaeologists to find. We cannot give every early human one bathroom rule. But we can ask a better question. Did any prehistoric communities manage this problem deliberately? At Riņņukalns, beside a river in what is now Latvia, researchers examined thin soil layers, chemistry, and radiocarbon dates from a site used between roughly 5400 and 3200 BCE. They did not find a shiny ancient bathroom. They found organization. In later Middle Neolithic layers, different kinds of material had been deposited selectively: food remains, ash from fires, and evidence of human excrement. The researchers interpret that pattern as collective waste management by hunter-gatherer fisher communities at this site. Not chaos. Not one person improvising. A shared place that persisted in the landscape. Now Pip's problem changes. A separate waste area works only if other people recognize it, use it, and keep the important parts of camp somewhere else. The private moment has become a group decision. And that matters even before a city appears, because some communities were returning to, or staying around, the same useful places. Then imagine the camp growing. More homes, more cooking, more children, more animals. The water source stays in the same place, and moving the whole settlement is no longer the easy reset button. Pip digs a pit. Good, the problem is contained. New problem, contained is not the same as gone. Across different places and periods, people used different arrangements. Designated dumping areas, pits, containers, cesspits, and eventually seats that begin to look familiar. Each solves one part of the problem: privacy, convenience, containment, or removal. None automatically protects the water, the food, or the hands carrying both. In Iron Age Jerusalem, archaeologists found rare carved stone toilet seats over cesspits in two wealthy building complexes. These were elite fixtures, not proof that everyone had a bathroom. Pip finally has a seat. Surely the problem is solved. Except sediment beneath both toilets repeatedly tested positive for proteins from Giardia, a parasite that can spread when human waste contaminates food or drinking water. The toilet was real. So was the infection. That is the crucial turn. A comfortable place to go is not yet a complete sanitation system. The bigger solution needs a chain. Separate waste from daily life, contain it. Move it or manage it safely. Protect water and food. Keep dirty hands from carrying the problem back. Break one link, and the private problem can return as a community problem. So humans did not wait helplessly for one genius to invent the toilet. Communities kept adapting to place, population, materials, and water. Sometimes the evidence is a managed midden. Sometimes it is a pit. Sometimes it is a stone seat that proves convenience arrived before safety was complete. The history is not one straight line. It is repeated problem-solving. Now watch what happens when modern Pip flushes. The bowl is only the front door. Behind it may be pipes, containment, sewers, treatment, and rules shared by an entire community. The exact system changes with where people live, but the ancient questions remain. Where does it go? What keeps it separate? And can it find a pass back? So what did humans do before toilets? They used many different answers. The most important one was never just a seat. It was learning that even the most private human moment needs a collective solution.